Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to dive into how to activate WhatsApp Business Auto Reply on a linked device. Click the three dots and go to Business Tools. Scroll down and click on Quick Replies. Then you can click on the plus sign. Add a greeting shortcut. And now you can input your greetings. Hi, thanks for contacting me. Kindly share your skills and fight for the addiction. Then you can click on save. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you all in the next video.